Okay. Patingin ulit ako ng gusto mong kulay.
I like this, like honey, ashy
Honey blonde.
brown.
Oo. Okay. Question ko lang. Anong last na pinagawa mo sa buhok mo?
I
Rebonding ba
got
siya before?
highlights and it was bleached.
Bleach
Yes.
highlights 1 year ago?
Yes.
Okay. And then, how about na haircut mo?
I think I want to do just like a trim
Trim?
and then
Okay.
long layers with
Okay.
face framing.
Okay. How to short? Gandito?
I think,
More,
yeah, I think here's okay.
okay. And then dun sa gusto mong kulay, 80% ma-achieve natin. Okay lang sa'yo?
It's okay.
Okay. Saan pa kayo galing? All the
LA
way
po.
from?
LA.
Wow, welcome.
Thank you.
Sige, prepare ko lang ha.
Okay, thank you po.
Okay. Namaste.
I love it. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Ayan, bumagay sa skin tone mo. Alagaan mo siya ng purple shampoo, ha? Wow. Landina. 2 days mo siya bago paliguan. Happy ka sa color mo?
Yes po, thank
Thank
you.
you. Kuna ko ng video yun back. Okay. Thank you so much.